Hello! These here are main bolts, and a lot of people overbuild their engines, and this is why in this series or in this video I want to show you what you actually need. If you want to support us, you can become a channel member and help with our efforts of bringing tuning to the masses. To those who already do, I thank you a lot and appreciate what you do. So what different methods to fastening your main caps are there actually? Well, as I said before, you have your normal main bolts that are usually a 10.9 grade or sometimes even already 12.9. So for example, in the higher horsepower 1.9 PD engines, those are already 12.9 bolts, and you can, for example, use them in other engines to upgrade that. But normally those will be just normal bolts and they won't be particularly good. And in a high torque, low RPM situation, those main caps can start to vibrate, or they can get into harmonics where they can crack or break. And that happens, for example, if you are at, let's say, about 3000 to 4000 RPM at a high boost pressure and therefore a lot of torque. And that's where these main caps can actually break, and the reinforced hold down methods like a 12.9 bolt or main studs can help the main cap actually last longer, or rather kind of withstand these vibrations better. Well, yes, it's not optimal, and if you really have problems or making a lot of torque down low, you should go to a billet main cap, for example. We're going to look at that in a future video, but this will help nevertheless if you are concerned. If you are, though, not making a lot of power down low, so for example, if you are making like even 600-700 horsepower, but your turbo setup is pretty big, so you're not really making anything below 5000 RPM, so anything that's really gonna destroy anything, or you're just keeping your torque in check because you know that your engine can't handle it that well, then you can stick with the stock bolts or upgrade to 12.9 bolts, as they aren't really that expensive. Problem is, if you go to studs, like main studs, for example from ARP, there are plenty of ARP main stud kits available for several engines, as well as the 180 I'm showing here also. Then the problem is you have to line hone your engine because the bearing clearances get distorted, and that's not something you want. While you could risk it and try to run it without the block getting line honed, it's a pretty big risk to take because it can cost you an engine and a crankshaft, and if it's a problem, then you will have to take apart your whole engine again, and you may have even bigger damage than just the crank, because these metal particles are going to make it all the way through the engine if you have bearing failures. So that's what you should keep in mind. From ARP, there's also different versions available, like custom age or 625 steel. Those all have different hold down strengths, whereas, for example, a stock main bolt for VW applications usually is a stretch to yield bolt. And for example, a lot of Japanese engines use just normal bolts that aren't torque to yield, and they just get torqued down normally. So if you're using main studs, it will actually distort the main bearing and you will have a tighter bearing clearance. That's a big problem because obviously you want some oil cushioning around the bearing, and you will have to get your block line honed to get the clearances where they should be again. So if you want to upgrade, get a set of 12.9 bolts because they don't apply as much pressure as studs, but they do work a lot better than the normal ones that you get with the stock engine usually. If, for example, you can see here, this block is pretty open right here, so there's no support for the main bearings. If you have a block that is actually supported and goes through here and gets bolted down, for example here, or even here, and here, then you don't really need to upgrade, because that's already so good as for the stiffness goes that you won't have any problems really, and you don't need to do anything about it. So much for the main studs, main bolts, and yeah, that's basically it for that. If you have any questions about this, let me know in the comments down below.